So I have these Corsair headphones here with wireless transmission microphone for gaming, blah blah blah, whatever. The model number is HF2012-TX. So yeah, kind of old, with a big receiver transmitter thingy. And yeah, it's in very poor condition. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it focused. Somebody tried to fix it with duct tape. And this part is also breaking. So yeah, this had probably a bad design from the start. Hey, white balance, what are you doing? That's funny. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this, I'll just tear it down, and if there's nothing special inside, like many speakers or something, then I'll just transplant the electronics to work with my Philips headphones that I already chopped off the cable. And I'll just connect it to this one and mount the microphone on the side and use it as a wireless headset. This is also very old, but still usable and comfortable. And yeah, I hope I can transplant the electronics, and yeah, let's see what's inside first, because I have no idea how they simulate or implement 7.1 surround audio, blah blah blah. I assume there are only 2 speakers, but yeah, let's see. Let's take apart the left one or the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, there's a big R on it. That's a good indication. So almost 10 years old. These are almost 10 years old and used very much. I got them for free, somebody threw them out, so yeah. I hope the electronics will be worth salvaging. Oh yeah, no big deal. Yeah, okay. It has a base something or other here that delivers bass or something, or a weight. Wait, what the my camera is not charging anymore, so I'll just unplug it. Okay, so this has some sort of electronics here. 3 wires go into this little PCB, and the PCB connects 3 wires to this thing. So this is probably responsible for low frequencies. So let's see what it does. Let's just take it apart. Let's keep these screws separate because these are probably different. So yeah, I did no research before tearing this down. I just looked up the part number and I saw that new pads, the foam and the fabric what goes on the speaker, which was destroyed on this one, they cost like 15 bucks plus shipping. So yeah, I don't really want to spend that much. This is interesting. So this is some sort of actuator. That's interesting. So you can pop off the top, hopefully, or it's glued. Oh, it's a battery, you stupid. It's the battery. Okay, mystery solved. So they put the battery here in the right one, and the electronics are probably in the left one. Okay. That's funny. I was thinking something else. So I can just take this off. This little circuit board is held in by a screw. Okay, that was really stupid. That was really stupid of me to think otherwise. And this one is taped. Okay, I got the battery out. Does it say what kind it is? It's if anybody's interested, it's a 3.7 volt, 680 milliamp hours. That's really low. I mean, for headphones it's kind of good, but yeah, you could put a lot bigger battery in here. This is tiny. You could have like 2 days of battery life with a bigger cell. But whatever, I don't think I'll be using this one. I think I'll be putting an external battery cell, a big one. Like this one. This is 2600 milliamp hours. So yeah, this should last several days of music playback and stuff. So yeah, that's a future thing. But right now, let's see what else does it have. Oh, all the screws fell out. Nice. So it just has a big speaker, a really big speaker. That's good, but should work fine with the other one, with the Philips headphones. So it's not that special, it's just a really nice big speaker. Okay, let's take apart the other half. And hopefully we can take out the electronics. Oh yeah, nice try. These are not Phillips head screws. They don't want you messing around with that. It's one of those Torx, whatever you call these. Luckily I have them prepared. And where's the tool that goes with the tip, with the bit, with this? Let's see. Is this the right size? No, you need the smaller one. Let's get the smaller one. I have two smaller. Yeah, I have this one. I think this will be it. Let's see. Yeah, not really. The bigger one. Slightly bigger. Does it focus? So I think it's this one. Yeah, because the other one is spinning. T6? What does this mean? Is that T6? Come on, focus, man. Does that mean it's T6? Hopefully. Whatever. I don't know how these cheap tools are marked. Okay, this is the one. It's working. Focus, you dumb smartphone. I don't know how to set the white balance on this thing to stop bouncing around as I... Oh, that's bad. Hey, come out of the middle. The screw went straight in. That's dumb. Okay. So probably I'll have to download a different app, because the built-in camera app can't, you can't set the white balance and stuff. Everything is on auto, you like it or not, you can't change it. Oh, nice. Some big electronics here. Okay. Microphone, plus minus. Nice. Everything is just nice and dirty, but yeah. I don't care about that part, just the electronics. Yeah, here's one more screw to try to trick you to break it. Thank you, Corsair, for putting this here. I almost broke it. This has no purpose here, just to mess with you. So, yeah. Positive, negative. I don't think I can measure it on my Philips headphones, which one's the negative and positive. I just have to connect it hopefully the same way, two speakers the same way. Yeah. So this is the microphone which goes out here. Volume knob, that's probably a mouse scroll button thingy. And yeah, so let's take this out. Let's take out the PCB, and it probably has an antenna on the other side. Hopefully it's not damaged at all. Oh yeah, I should start it up to see if it's working. Yeah, that's a good idea. Before I disconnect any wires, I will try it out. Try to connect it. And yeah, let's see. What can it do? So many screws, and this has no purpose here. Or it's holding out in the plastics. Oh, it has buttons. Okay, this is probably a mute button. Whatever. So for one button they had to add 6 screws. 6 screws. That's some bad design right there, but whatever. Oh, and they even have these kind of plastic clips here that hold the PCB in place. What are they used for? Or they are holding the button? I have no idea, but I have to unmount the microphone too. It seems to be holding in the PCB. Two more screws. Like that. No, it doesn't want to come out. What's going on here? Get Bill Gates in here. Oh. Oh. This, you spin the microphone and it has a switch here. So it switches off when you pull the microphone up. That's nice. That's a nice feature. Man, my nose is killing me. Allergy season or something. That sucks. That sucks really bad. So let's try to remove this. Okay. Yeah. Old-fashioned antennas. This is nice. Nice to see. And just one button. A nice controller chip. And everything is labeled here on the PCB. Man, this is really nice. This is really nice. So let me just reconnect the battery and try to start up this contraption here. I will just plug it back in. Like this. Yes, okay. Maybe try to charge it. Does that make any sense? Let's try to charge it for a bit. Does it charge? Nothing is blinking. Oh, now. It lit up, so it's charging probably. Oh, the charge port is probably broken. That's not good. Is it broken? Yeah, it probably is. This sucks. Does it charge if I put it in one direction? No. Whatever. Let me just try to connect it to the computer and let's hope for the best. Let's put in some no copyright music. Oh, an ad has started. Nice. To mess with my no copyright music. I plugged in the receiver. It's setting up. And hopefully we can switch to it. Sound settings. It switched already to the Vengeance, whatever. So what should I do? Because there's no sound coming out. Let's take out the charger. Increase the volume. Nothing. Oh, now it... Wow! Okay, it's working. Oh, and this knob is just decreasing the volume on the windows. So it's not controlling the volume internally. That's always disappointing, but yeah, it seems to be working. This is really nice. Really, really nice. And the microphone is also working. I can see it in the level meter or whatever you call it. Okay, okay. So I just have to throw out this junk and connect this electronics to any headphones. And with this mic, the mic seems very good. So I'll just use the mic and the electronics. Cool.